Hello everybody and welcome to Tech in 5 Minutes. Today, we're comparing Django and Flask. Watch this video to know which of these frameworks Jelvix experts recommend choosing. On our channel, we share thoughts on recent developments in the tech industry. Subscribe not to miss new videos. Let's start. What is Flask? Flask is a very popular Python framework that resembles a Lego constructor, which you can use to build whatever you want using Python libraries or Flask extensions. Let's take a look at Flask features. Flask likes simplicity and minimalism, and among its features are fast debugging, RESTful request handling, application program interface, flexible configuration, and integrated unit testing. As for Flask benefits, it is known as the best web framework for building lightweight web applications and small static sites. Among the pros of Flask, we define that it's easy to understand, flexible, and it has integrated good testing tools. And what are the disadvantages of Flask? While Flask is easy to learn, it is common for novice developers to write such bad code that a web application is terrible. So among the disadvantages of Flask, we define it doesn't support asynchrony and lack of opportunities. When it comes to developing large web applications, Flask simply lacks capabilities. Now let's move on to Django. Well, Django is a highly demanded open source Python framework. Actually, it can even be called a code library with templates for reliable and maintainable applications. By the way, to determine the best solution for back-end development, check out our article with a detailed Node.js and Python comparison. The link is in the description. Now, let's take a look at the features of Django. Django has excellent documentation. It is SEO optimized, versatile in nature, thoroughly tested, highly scalable, and secure. Also, it allows for rapid development due to the modules it provides. And if you take a look at Jelvix portfolio, you will notice that the framework is perfect for working with highly scalable applications that expect large flows of clients. What about advantages of Django? So, among them, we define Django can save time at every stage, from the formation of the idea itself to the release. It offers a huge number of advanced features, including RSS, content administration, sitemaps, and more. In addition, it protects against errors and increases the security of your application. With Django, you can efficiently handle a large amount of traffic, so large resources prefer it. What are the disadvantages of Django? While we love Django, it's not perfect for the following reasons, such as Django uses a URL routing pattern, it is too monolithic, it is based on ORM Django, Django has all components deployed together, and it can own the entire system to work. So what is the difference between Django and Flask, and which is better to choose? Among the key points of difference that may influence your decision are flexibility, ORM usage, design, working style, and applications. We'll give you a few clues when it is best to use each of these frameworks. So, choose Django if you've been writing in Python for over 3 years. Your site will have predominantly dynamic HTML pages. You are using an SQL database, or you want your new developers to know in advance what the speech is about. And choose Flask if you like reading Python code, you will have an API, you will be using a service-oriented architecture, or your web applications are based on NoSQL. Well, if you need to choose in the Python Flask versus Django dilemma, you should start with your goals. Django is a framework ideal for startups and large companies. And if you're in for a minimalistic site, then Flask is the best choice. And which of these solutions is the most suitable for you? Share your thoughts in the comments. This video was prepared by the Jelvix team. Jelvix helps top brands worldwide to innovate and accelerate digital transformation. We provide world-class enterprise software engineering, design, and technology consulting services. Find our contact details in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. We share the latest news about tech trends and innovations, so make sure to subscribe not to miss a single video. And don't forget to press the bell button. Bye for now.